Okay, here's the video of the driver's side rear after I basically released the tension on the U-joint by the half shaft. I had removed it in the midst of putting this car back together so I could press in the half shaft into the bearing housing, and then when I reinstalled the U-joint, I basically didn't loosen it by giving it a good tap with a hammer, and I'm pretty sure that's what was causing the loud noises when I pushed it back and forth. So here we go. Here's the car in neutral and me pushing it forward and backwards. So there we go. I got lucky, I guess. I'm glad I did some tapping and kind of releasing of the bearings, the needle bearings and the U-joint. I tapped the inner one and the outer one, and luckily I did that before I tore everything apart. So I'm gonna keep an eye on it, but I think that's all that noise was. It was pretty interesting. I've never had that happen before. So all good for now.